Hi guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. I'm Chef John. Here on my channel, I show you quick and easy recipes. Today, I want to show you how to make enchilada sauce from scratch. You ready to cook? Let's go! So I've got my stovetop here and I've got a pan. I've got some oil, some flour, some chili powder, some bouillon. This is the Knorr tomato bouillon with chicken. This stuff rocks. It's really good, tasty. I use it in a lot of my dishes. Then we've got some cumin. I've got onion powder, garlic powder, and I've got water. You ready to cook? Let me show you how it's done. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make a roux. So I'm gonna get my pan warm and we're going probably medium high right now. Once that pan gets hot, I'm gonna add my oil. I've got 1/4 cup of oil. This is a vegetable oil. You don't want it to be too strong of a flavor. Now I've got 4 tablespoons of flour and we're gonna just stir that in, okay? We're making our roux and we wanna kind of cook out some of that flour flavor. You're looking for a real smooth paste. Can you see the bubbles in there? That's what you want to see. And we're going to let that cook for just a minute or two. If you don't cook the flour down for a couple of minutes, you'll get a real floury taste to your sauce. It's not too good. This is what is going to thicken your sauce. The flour and the oil combine together to hold onto the water. And that makes a nice thick sauce. If you smell any burning at this point, your heat is way too high. You might start to smell a little bit of a nutty kind of aroma, and that's fine, that's perfect. Kind of like popcorn or peanut butter is what you're gonna experience. Okay, so I just turned my pan down. I turned it to like a medium low, and we're gonna add in our chili powder. I've got 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and this is gonna further thicken that, that sauce. All right, guys, so now I've got the bouillon. This is 2 tablespoons of bouillon, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir that up, mix it really well, and then we're gonna add in our water.
So what we're making here, guys, is an enchilada sauce. In Chile, we're gonna dip those corn tortillas into this chile, and then we're gonna roll them, and so they're gonna be covered in chile.
And you want to bring that to a boil, because at that point, once it boils is when it's gonna thicken. If you look at the consistency of that right now, it's real watery. You can see little bubbles starting to form, and that's good. Now the bouillon already has the chicken flavor, it's already got salt. So you may not need to add more salt to this dish, but once it thickens up, make sure you taste it and see if it is to your liking. Now, depending on what kind of chili powder you get, from your grocery store, it can go anywhere from a red to a brown color. And the chili powder will affect the color of your sauce as well. All right, we're starting to see some boiling here, and at this point it's really important that you stir. That way you get a nice smooth texture out of your sauce. Oh, it smells really good. Now, one of the other things that you want to do whenever you're making sauces is you can strain them off through a mesh strainer. This is a fine mesh strainer. I'll show you how to do that. We'll just pour that sauce right through the strainer, and that'll catch any large pieces that didn't break down. You can push them through or scoop them off. And there you have it, guys, enchilada sauce. All right, guys, so that's how to make enchilada sauce. I've got another video, go watch that one next. It's how to make the enchiladas. And then I've got a recipe for how to make rice and how to make beans. So go check them out right now. Hurry.